Hello friends, welcome back to my channel 5 Minutes Tech. This is Oppo A3S smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can take notes in Oppo A3S smartphone. First of all, go to the tools and click on keep icon here. Just click it. And here you can take notes. That is, you can write anything like a notepad. Just write anything and you can retrieve it for future reference. You can also add photo for your notepad. Just change photo, select your own photo here, and in the title you can write anything. You can give any title here. This is one of the best hidden feature in Oppo A3S smartphone. This way you can take notes. That's all friends, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Until then, goodbye.